Welcome all. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss fundamental or you can say basic Linux command. So for basic Linux commands, first we need to understand something. What is a command syntax? So every Linux command having a common structure that is contain three things: command, option and argument. What are the three things are common? Command, option and argument. There is not any hard and fast rules that in every command you have to specify option and argument. Some commands having default option and argument that they use when they are executed. Some commands do require at least one option or argument in order to work. Means without any option or argument that commands are not going to be executed. So remember format: command, option and argument. For example, whenever I will enter command ls, no option, no argument. Whatever the argument, default argument is used. ls-l, one option. ls directory name, one argument we are providing. ls-l space directory name, one option and one argument. ls is command, hyphen l is option, directory name is argument. So this is the syntax structure. Now we are going to start with the very fundamental and basic command that is called ls, and ls command is used to list files and directories present inside any specific location. So for understanding, instead of going through the theoretically, we will move towards hands-on. So I will move to my Linux system. So now for that, understanding the ls command, terminal. Now normal simple ls. Now this ls command lists all the files and directories present in the current location. In the current location, by default, what is the current location? Whenever you will enter pwd, this is my current location. Home, inside home there is a directory name is Awadh. So if you want to go that particular place, go into the places, computer. Now understand the path hierarchy. This is representing root directory. What is representing? Root directory. Currently I am inside root directory. In root directory there is a directory with the name of home. Inside home there is a directory with the name of Awadh. So you can check it out. In the root directory there is a directory with the name of home. Inside home there is a directory with the name of Awadh. So whatever the content, you can verify the content. There is a lot of files are there. Whenever I will enter, you can check it out in this manner. Whenever I will enter ls, what I can see, all the things which are present, like abc. So abc is present, abc dot our.txt, so our.txt is present. So whatever is present inside this folder, if I will enter ls command, it will represent all the or show you all the files and directories present in that particular directory. Now second thing, ls-l, this is called long listing. What is called long listing of the files? It will provide you much detailed information about these files. So ls-l, enter. Now we can check, there is a abc file. First thing, this first place will tell you which type of file is there. Dash is representing file, D is representing directory. If you can see that several other types of file. So first position tells you type of file, then remaining 9 position related to the permission of user, group and other. This value 1 is related to the link count. No need to worry about all these terminologies. In further lecture we will understand all these terminologies. This is username, this is group name, size, date, and name of the file. Once again, first position tell you type of file, remaining 9 position tell you related to the permission. This is link count, this is username, and this is group name. Okay, so if you want to see all these information with the single command, ls-l will list or long listing of the files with all the important details. Now you can see the file is related to the time date 6 April, this is 30th June, then again 6 April, then 21st Jan, then April 7. So if you want to display file in timely order, you need to use command ls-lt. So you can get the file from last, means for most recently accessed, to least recently accessed. So on March 26 is the today when I have accessed that at folder location is new to whatsoever that what you have did, all the things will get arranged according to the date from latest to least. Now if you want in the reverse order, like that the least file is 6 December. So if you want to reverse order, you need to use command ls-lrt, ls-lrt. So display the files in the reverse order, or you can say that from least to latest. In the previous, ls-lt latest to least, and ls-lrt least to latest. Some other commands also like that. ls will represent some files, ls space hyphen a, it representing more file in the same location. So ls hyphen a will display all the files, hyphen a is used display all the files, the files which is starting with the dot value, that are hidden file, which are not normally seen by ls command. So normal ls will not reflect you dot bash logout, dot bash profile, dot bash rc, dot awc, dot swap. You cannot able to see any file which is starting with dot name with simple ls command, but with the help of ls hyphen a stand for all the files, you can able to see each and every file present in that particular directory, either it is hidden files or directories. So you can check that all the things. This different colors coding is represent different kind of files. So now control L, these are the basic options which are used with the ls command. So ls double hyphen help will provide you more details which you can use with the ls command. Now one thing is common, that ls, there is a file our.txt. If you want to get information about this file, you can use command ls hyphen ls our.txt, or you can say the detailed information. So you can write our.txt. So instead of reflecting all the detail, it will reflect only the detail of that particular file. Means the information about any specific file, if you know the path of that file, so you can just write ls space option, any option which you want to use, and argument means file name, so our.txt. So it will only reflect me the permissions and every information related to this file. Now new 2 is a directory. if you want to reflect the information related to the directory, and you will write down new2 and put enter, what it says, instead of showing information about this directory, it is reflecting the information present inside this directory. As you can check, I have opened directory new2, so I will go at the location of new2, and in new2 you can check the file for directory A, file our.txt, and folder ma is available. So you can check, it is A, it is not telling the permission about this directory. So remember, when you want to check the permission related to any specific directory or information about any specific directory, so ls-ld space name of the directory. Now you can check, it is providing the information about new2 directory only. Okay, so this representing it is directory, this is the permission for user group and other, link count, user group size, and all other things. So understand, ls-l file name to checking the information about any specific file, or you can say that to check the information related to any specific file. If you want to check the information related to any specific directory, ls-ld and name of that directory, so it will reflect you all the information related to that directory. Okay, like that. Inside new2, as I shown you new2, and you have written ls-l new 2, it will reflect you the content inside this directory. Inside new2 there is a directory A, inside directory A there is a directory B, inside B directory C. Okay, inside new2 there is a directory ma, and inside ma there is a two files. If someone says with the single command you need to fetch the information present in any specific directory, means in new2 or in subsequent subdirectories, means inside new2, inside A, inside ma, because with the help of ls-l new, it will reflect new2, sorry, it will reflect only the information present inside new2 directory. It will not reflect the information which is present inside A and ma. If you want to subsequently to see the information present parent directory, new2, subdirectories, which are the directories present inside that particular directory, so there is a command ls-l recursive listing of the file in new2. So now you can check, here we have entered the command, this is the output. So it is saying that inside new2 how many files, A, our.txt and ma. Inside new2 there is a directory A, inside directory A there is a directory B. Again, inside new2 there is a directory A, inside A there is a directory B, and inside B he found the directory C. Now inside new2 there is a directory A, directory B and directory C. Inside directory C there is a not any file present. Again, inside directory new2 there is a directory name ma, inside ma two files are present. So remember, whenever you want to recursive listing, means any parent directory is containing how many files or subdirectories, and inside that subdirectories what content is present, you need to use command ls-l capital R and name of the directory. So this is all about the ls command. For better understanding, always use help, so it will show you how you can use this particular command in better way. In the further videos I will explain you how you can use man pages and help manual of the Linux. So thanks for the watching. If any problem in the ls command, you can put in your comment. And one very important thing, that if you like my videos, kindly subscribe my channel and Thanks for the watching once again.